welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad that you're here today. I've got a new do. It's a little bit shaggy, but it's new to me. I hope you're having the best day possible. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That'd be great. We are in the middle of a declutter. Yes, I'm trying to get rid of some stuff, so I'm going through some of my palettes that I'm not sure about and seeing if I can pull off a good look with them. I've got a very important engagement tonight with a bunch of ladies, and so you know you always want to look good for the ladies. And so we are going to look at the Norvina ABH collection, and this is Pro Pigment Palette number 4. Let's take a peek-a-loo. Very pretty. It's very pretty, but I can tell you that I've only used this a handful of times. Seriously, just like barely used it ever at all. So let's get in here and start making a look. I'm going to start with A4 in my crease, which is a great crease color. Very natural and neutral. That looks great. And it's very pigmented. Like, I've got 3 of these palettes and I barely ever use them. I honestly probably haven't used this in over a year, if not longer. Alright, so we've got the crease in. And I'm going to be wearing a different shirt than this, even though this is super cute. So I'm probably going to be wearing a black shirt. And so I want to go a little colorful. I'm going to go into A2. What kind of brush do I want to use? Kind of a little fluffy brush into A2. It's a shimmer. Look how glittery it is. I'm going to put that in my crease and on my lid. That is really pretty. It's got a shift to it. A little bit of shift. Look at that shift. Very pretty. Now, it's hard to decide what to do next. I'm really liking this kind of shifty purple. I'm going to use a little flat Sonia G brush into this shifty purple. It didn't look like it picked up very much. Really digging in. And it's not really showing up. It's showing up a little bit, but not really. Let me dig in some more. Not really showing up. It's showing up a little bit. But it's not doing what I want. So we switch to another plan of action. I'm going to go in with C5. It is a total matte, and it's totally pretty. I'm just brightening up the outside there. Putting it in my crease. Let's get that shifty lavender going again. That's pretty. And I'm going to go in with this shimmer silver. Look at that. I put it in my inner corner. That big noise was Ruby. That looks cute. I need to do a little darker color on the outside of my eye. Just a little bit. So I'm going to go into E4, kind of a wine color, and just darken it up down there, just a little. That looks pretty. Am I going to keep this palette? Probably not, because some of the colors just don't work. And I really have used it very rarely. So I'm going to take a House Labs eyeliner. And I've got the hooded eyes, and I love to do a little wing. And I've got aging skin, so I'm real careful and draw it on. And this House Labs eyeliner has just been great. There we go. Now some mascara. I'm going to use the Lancome Hypnose Drama. Look at that wand. It's got a nice little curve to it. And I'm just going to go in to my really baby lashes. I've started using the Ordinary's Lash Serum for lashes and brows. It's $12.50. I've been using it for a few days. It's going to be a while before I get results, but my friend Ashley swears by it. So I'm giving it a chance because those high dollar ones didn't really do much for me. I look like a cotton candy dream. What kind of lip should I wear? I'm probably going to wear the color that matches my hair that I've been wearing to death, which is Founder in number 115 Super Matte Stay Ink. Oh, I keep messing up. Ah, damn it. Oh. So crazy. I got lipstick on my fingers. Good enough. Close enough for rock and roll. It's hard missing that tooth. Dropping stuff left and right. But this is my look. I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to put this on Mercari, and I'll do my best to put my Mercari link down below. It's a nice palette, but it doesn't work for me anymore. It made a pretty look, but I just don't use it. So this will be going away as Dodo. So should I stay or should I go? This is going. So thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon.